Okie gonna trade the K8tor. Let me turn it on. Guess I only needed 5 minutes. It said 15 minutes. Well, I got everything running. If I see an actual trade, I will be. Well, I'll wait for a few people to get on to explain what's going on. K8tor with an 8 here. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. With an 8 in that friggin' range. With an 8, really good. Holy crap. Should have jumped on earlier. Securing a green month. So now I'm just gonna eval trade this. I gotta put that over there. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. I'm actually gonna copy trade this on some other evals for some other sites. I think I'm gonna try to get those passed too. Forgot about a few evals I had cooking. Funding ticks and funding next future, funding next. By the looks of it. If I have to, I will jump on and get a real trade if I need to. Hold on, actually, I forgot to set this. Hold on, I'm going to close this for a second. I'm still here. Just got to get it on the right account. Oh, no, that's not the right account. Hold on. There we go. Don't accidentally trade these fundeds. Now I'm on the right account. Hey, Chef, how's it going? Looks like I should have been trading the K8tor from the beginning, right? Look at this. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, sell. It's coming back down. Oh, this one would have been a little bitty, itty bitty one. Did I up? Oh, hold on. Let me. No, I did not update yet. Hold on. Filter high. Going to use the. Oh, we changed the name of the filters. I have to ask them what they mean now. Jump in Discord. Filter high. I don't know what filter high means. I'm just reading over the Waka Waka Discord right now, trying to catch up on the K8tor. I'm gonna have to talk to him and ask him what it means. I don't see where it is in the Discord. So I can turn that off. It was somewhere. There we go. Well, that cell worked out. It's coming all back here somewhere. Maybe here. Man, this press actions has been gross for a while. Oh, I changed the settings. Hold on, and now it's not showing as many good trades. Let me see. Mid. Low. Degen. Oh, Degen has less than low. Which one am I liking? I'll take the next buy signal. Because this buy signal to me is for this sell and exit because of buy, sell, buy, sell. Maybe I want one more on it, huh? I might like the other version settings a little bit better. But this is just one day, so don't know. This will be more fun. I'll take whatever next signal it is. Because this was our buy, sell, and then these sells for this close here. I don't like this action at all today. I don't think many people did. Looks like it's bearish, right? Way back down hard, huh? What did Trump say at 11? Actually would have been a banger trade if you had bought, sold, and sold here, sold here. Sold, 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 sold. Buy it down here. It's actually a really good trade because you are. You said your average is here now. It's four micros. Yeah, that's a banger trade, even if you closed it there. Oh, that's a big ass wave. I just think we're gonna chop all day. It feels like it, right? I mean, broke out range here. Plus 15. It wants to stay right in here. Where's the opening range? Right here. So this is a setup, but I just don't trust anything today. That's why I'm not playing it. I'm not comfortable with the price action. Got a little fake trade. A little fake trade while we're doing this. Got a good one. Damn it. Well, I guess I should have trusted it. And taken it, holy cow. Right to target. That was actually kind of crazy. But look at the reaction there. Jesus. Okay, so I'll explain the trade here. The fake trade that we just did. Oh, we're getting a buy signal. take a buy. After this, after I get into this, I'll explain the trade that I did not take. That obviously should have. Yeah, they were like basically bottom ticked it. And that's why I pull my take profits in this wick right here, or even at this body, and not try to take out the bottom, because a lot of the times I'll come short, retrace, and then back down. Why not just grab it here instead of wait for the extra few ticks? Oh, whoops.
Order filled.
Away we go.
Filled.
Okay, apparently that. Oh, you know what happened to that one? Fucking. Some of these friggin' prop firms have idle day friggin' rules, and some of them, I think it's funny tick, whatever one that just popped up. I didn't trade in 5 days, so it got blown. Okay, so here made a swing high on the 1 minute, back up into here, then broke structure. Move this out of the way for a second. Broke structure here, right? These up close candles got run through by the down close candles. This closed here. I'm gonna start taking these on the wicks from now on, just because they're not coming all the way back up lately either. So get in on the wick, or right here, right off this. Stop above that that swing high. Run it down to a point of interest. It could have been this fair value gap here. I was pretty confident that if it was going to go, it was going to go here. So here I would run it to the body, or less than 50% of the wick. So a couple ticks on there, but don't be a dick for a tick. Take the money, because as you see, it literally bounced right off that. Yeah, I got a second buy in the. Oh shit! What's that? The font goes up. Oh, pressing enter, not delete. Yeah, I did. I have it on like pretty aggressive setting. I have it on filter low. Action off that. This is just massive job day. Yeah, I do recommend the 1 minute and MNQ. Um, Basically, so you can get in and out of trades. You don't get caught in a trade going on. Like if you play the 5 minute, you get caught in a trade for a few hours. Like imagine if these were all just 5 minute candles, right? You're already 15 minutes in. I might take profit here. I'm gonna take this profit.
Order filled.
Not a bad trade. Let me take a look at. It's like a $50 trade for one mini, one micro. That's a good trade. And I do it super low risk, right? I use one micro. Um, just with all the testing I've done, I think you could go to two micros per signal and be safe. Um, I'm taking a very low variance route with the one. Just chop city. So the sell will be, I'm gonna wait for two more signals, right? Unless it's another buy. If I get another buy before I get another sell, I'll do another buy. But if I get a sell, I'll wait for whatever the next signal is after that, because that will be because I like to keep them in patterns, right? This set was this take profit, so that's a new entry, and then whatever the next sell will be the take profit. But as you all know, I like to take my a lot of the times I like to take my own profit. No sense of sitting in it forever to be in the same place. Like I thought it was going to run to this point here, and it did, and started to get a little trouble. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, but it's profit either way. Especially in the price action. Look at it. Junk. This was a fake out. This broke structure here. Not good enough though. I like to see when it breaks structure and leave a fair value gap there too. Like it almost did here. Like this was with gusto. Hey Marcelo, sorry I missed you. This is gonna want to go down. Let's take a look at the 15. Such junk, nothing's lining up. And all these targets have already been hit. This target was hit early, like one target right to the other this morning. Could have got in here. This was about the only trade that was this morning. I was like, all right, price action's looking good. I'm like, all right, price action is looking good, and it's gonna be a good day because this was perfect. Displacement under here, created the fair value gap, tap the fair value gap, and ran into the target. I was like, that good. That was a good sign, but we got chopped for the rest of the day instead. Wet moon on uh well, gold's mooning or has been. Soul's having some issues. I forgot to close all my trades, so I'm just letting that bot run. See, couldn't get it back up over these levels. Called those pumps earlier. Couldn't get back over there. And now we're hoping that this is protected. Bounced right off that fair value gap beautifully. Held that in the group too. We want to hold that level, which is yeah, there's too much junk going on there. $203, we want to hold that. Nvidia is all time. Oh yeah, Nvidia was pumping this morning, wasn't it? But yeah, NQ wasn't moving. Yeah, Nvidia is up pretty good, 2.3%. So you're gonna short the monthly. Today is the last day of the month, right? This is weird. It should have a retracement, right? Of some sort. Maybe down to here. Maybe you'll check that. Yeah, Chef, let T know because I had the same issue. It clouds it, right? So what I did, I'll show you here. I think I went to yeah, style underneath graphic objects. It has like all those filter lows, right? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah, Mars usually, right? I mean, it's like that's what usually happens. We have well, it would be weird that it's all the 30% retracement would happen all today, but it should have started already, but it's been pumping, so maybe it won't. So so sorry, Chef, go to style, graphic objects, pane labels, take it off. Mar, yeah, that's what I mean, right? What is it that typical like think of like TGIF setup for the week. Friday it has a tendency to retrace um, the weekly move, so the weekly and monthly should be retracing, or the monthly should be retracing. Man, I'm glad I sold there. See, this is what I'm talking about with the indicator. It's awesome, but use it as a tool, right? Use your brain when using it, because it's not 100%. Nothing is 100%. Can't expect anything to be 100%. Use it as a tool. I thought it was going to get rejected here because it's been a place of it reran this here, right? I forget sometimes I just see everything all at once and never explain it, right? And then there was a lot of stop short here already. Ran this. I don't think it's getting back up to there. Not on this impulse, anyways. If it does, it's going to move. If it went through all that, it was going up to here. So this fair value, yeah. But the safer bet was it's not going to. It has too much to get through. And direction has been chopped, so it's like the 15 minutes just giving us the middle finger. Do I want to buy this? Sure. Not really. It's gonna come take this out. But we'll play it. flash it. Flash, flash. Go on, take out the low. Take out this low here. Oh yeah. Thanks for the reminder, Chef. It is closing the third quarter candle today too. NVIDIA is a lot of news driven too, contract driven. So don't trust me on stocks. I don't normally I don't trade them at all actually. I mean I have QQQ and stuff like that, but I'm not trading. That's just piling up long-term holds. Sure, let's go. Bye.
Order
A
filled.
little late on the party, but let's go. What's up, Peter? Thanks, man. We'll just have fun with the K8tor. Won our first trade for $50-ish. Oh, this is ugly as hell. Did I long this on the opening candle? Yeah, I did. Longed it on the 15-minute opening. This is fun. Is that all the? That's not all you're gonna give. Where are we looking at? We're looking at this for about a gap. Get up there. Like I really should have more confidence in the K8tor. I really should just be trading this unfunded. Especially when price action so choppy. So I wasn't too worried about taking this and coming down to the drawdown, and if we come down to here, we can still add more. We can pyramid into the trade, into the long. Once we get a complete wreckage candle. But yeah, most of the time this is just stress-free, like because they're such small numbers, and you just pile those small wins over and over and over again. Not scared to have to DCA or pyramid or anything like that. Just let it run. Here we go. Let's go. How's you gonna react? Oh, you're gonna go through. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're looking here. Kind of want to be. Oh, whoops! I accidentally traded these unfunded, but I didn't. Oh, my old man dog just came in. Hi, bud. My bud. It's usually the time I take them out and play with them. Go, mofo, go. Type 1 in the chat if you took this trade with me. You'd be in profit if you did. Oh, shit. That was a bit stronger reaction than I wanted there. Get back up there. I'm gonna secure the bag.
Order filled.
Secured it for another 50-ish. We're up $100 for the day. Peter, yeah, I'll share what I have. I'm actually not tracking today. My data will be the P&L. I guess I should have stayed in this one, huh? If I don't like that reaction there, why not just secure it? If I get another buy, I'll buy it again. But see, that's what I did here, right? Bought it here, came all the way back down. I would have had in 2 contracts here and it would have made the same money, right? 2 contracts from here would be basically the same place. Did a little bit better than the K8tor in the sell, but look at how aggressive this is being. You can't really fault it for that. This is just tough price action. I have Desi, who is a ICT trader. He trades in inversion fair value gaps. I don't think he's taken a trade yet. Oh wait, no, he did. He did take a trade. I think got stopped off for break even. He goes for much bigger moves. He's banged. Last week he banged, I don't know, like 300 or 400+ point moves. Trump's talking again. Fun time. I know it's about the aliens. 100%, right? Sorry if that has music. I'm watching something in Discord. Oh, that's pretty cool. Daddy's behind a fridge. That's what it looks like. Okay. So we sold right about where? We sold down here. K8tor would have done a little bit better on the sell. Yeah, where did we sell? Yeah, we sold down here. We missed out on a few ticks. Okay, the series here was for this. Oh, that one was for over here. So that was the take profit. This was a new position. This was the add on to new position. This was the close of the position. If you were to hold on for the whole signal. So, if that's the case, the next signal will be my whatever I do next. Had a good reaction off that. Fair value gap too. Holy cow. These 15-minute candles, I just don't like them. Look at that shit. We have a lot happening this week. Government shutdown. Got, what is it? There's some news. Which one is it? Let's take a look at the calendar. With jolts, which usually moves the market like 100 or 200 ticks right off the numbers. It didn't move it at all today. We have some speakers this afternoon. FOMC speakers. But that's 1:30, 3:30. Wednesday, oh yeah, we have just some like ADP non-farm employment change. That's hit or miss. It's A15, which is a weird number. We have ISM manufacturing PMI that can move the market. That's at 10 o'clock tomorrow. And then, of course, CPI on the 2nd. Not see it. No, that's not unemployment on the 2nd. And a hint with the unemployment ones, the earlier the unemployment is in the month, red folder earlier in the month, the more likely it is to move the market. The late in the month, unemployment tends not to move the market as much. And then on Friday, yeah, that's where a non-farm is on Friday at 8:30. So we have some news coming up. So like, really, this price action shouldn't really be that surprising. Price action is so good. We have trading influencers making bets on UFC fights. Or at least looking at schedule. I actually think I have too many Tradify evals going. I have to cancel some of them. I am at, hopefully by the end of the week I'll be at max on the amount of funded with Tradify. Yeah, this was the only trade I possibly would have taken. Turned out to be a nice one too. This guy looks like it still wants to go long. Holds this. Or even this here. Oh, tag that fair value gap. New 15-minute candle. Yep. And hourly. Should go with the hourly did. Oh, the hourly did that. You can't get much more barcoding than that on the hourly. Holy crap. 4 hours starting to look like it has some structure. 4 hour might get bullish. 4 hour to close. If be bullish when the 4 hour to close above 841-ish. 840s. If it gets rejected here, we're going down more. Where would be the next target? This here, 50% of this wick. Like 50% of this wick here. Could be another down target. Still like 2 hours on that. Long ways away from not really telling us anything. 15-minute. Good old fuck you pattern. Okay. Yeah, so then if you're on the money flow and it looks bearish and we're looking like right here, at least. Let's see what how this forms here, because we're in this fair value. See, we're in this fair value gap here, right? To me, this is what I'm seeing. This has to curve up, but really that's my last confluence, and a lot of times I'll never use it. So we got this fair value gap, it's playing off it nicely, right? It filled it, made a good reaction off and back, closed above 50%. Now we have this protected low if we can break the structure of it. And that's what I was saying right about here, right? We want to break that structure. And if we break that structure, then we have kind of like if you're trading the 4 hour, right? If you break that structure, you can somewhere in between here and this wick, get in. This is not a trade I'm suggesting right now. I'm saying if we break above and break structure with this 4 hour, and we go probably the all-time high again on the 4 hour. Would have to. It's not even a 2-to-1 trade. We might have to like bring it here. There we go. Yeah, I'd have to. If you want a good 1 risk to 2 reward. So this has been the trouble all summer too. Is like a lot of the risk reward isn't there. You have to put your stop just below this, and you normally a lot of the times you're safe. These are usually protected as much as the protected low. You don't very often see another candle come down and take that wick out if it's not going to take out the swing low too. Because if it breaks this, it's hunting that. If we inverse this, then we can have something go, it comes down, come on. And I'm probably missing signals, but this could come down. I don't even know to where. Except maybe 50% here. Right, come back and retest. That's what I talk about with the if then statements, right? If this flows above, we go here. If this fails, we go here. That way you keep nimble. Whoops, I missed the freaking signal. I got it 2 into regular trading. Comes back up here. I'll hit this. I'll hit the sell. If not, I might just skip this one. A bit out of money with no drawdown. Oh my god, what did Glizzy Crypto Gang post in the group? I'm gonna have to read that later. The group is flying. Called Xeno a Little Mermaid. Holy fuck. This tout guy. Oh, I don't. If I gotta get better at OBS, I should be sharing this. This is pretty freaking. I don't know how to share this. Let me try this. Okay, I think you can see it now. That's what I'm reading. It's in the group. Wow, that's drum and a half. That short I missed was a banger. God damn it. Yeah, as you know, once told me that I had no idea about geopolitics or politics. I thought that was hilarious, considering was a senior advisor for many high-ranking politicians. Guy's a douchebag. Stole, you son of a bitch. Copying 4 accounts. So only up 100 times 4 is a lot better. This would have been another $50 trade or more. What time is it? I might call it here. Up $100 on it. 2 trades. I gotta go eat lunch and stuff. If the mood strikes me, I will jump back on later, but probably not. I'm calling it a month. Green month. A lot of progress in a lot of other evals. Uh, didn't quite get to the max out of the Tradeify accounts I wanted, but just went away from being maxed out there, and I have a whole bunch of others in the hopper. So it was a good month, considering September sucked just as bad as the rest of the summer. Everyone's saying, let's hope October's better. Let's hope it is. Catch you guys in Discord.